Question number 8 is nothing like that, There is a triangle, right? This is what? This is we have isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle like this and this. It is not on a scale. It is presumed that this triangle is isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles. अब isosceles triangle means this side is equal to this side is equal to this, right? These two sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
Now it is saying when these two sides are equal, then if you draw a perpendicular from here, so it will be how much? Draw a median. Median, this is say AD. This is B, this is C. Median from vertex angle, median is perpendicular bisector. Median is perpendicular bisector. This is sine of perpendicular and this is bisector. This is of 90 degree. Right? This is of 90 degree angle. And they are bisecting, so they are equal in size. This is said to be 6 centimeter. So this will be of 3 centimeter and this will be of 3 centimeter. Right? Is it? So this is of 3, will be also of 3. It becomes 6. This is perpendicular. Now what else is given you on the back?
So in the figure 1 given below, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC. AB is equals to AC and AC.
So AB is equal to AC. Yes, it is.
And AC is equals to 5. AB is equals to AC is equals to 5.
AC is equal to 5. That's it. Here, which is not mentioned in the diagram.
And
Which is not बस हो गया, ठीक है, समझ गया. ये 5 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब ये साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर की है.
Yes, sir.
ये साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर की है. Right. So now what we can do by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABD, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, right? So this is 5 square is equal to perpendicular square plus 4 square. So it becomes 25 minus 16 is equal to p square. So 9 is equal to p square. Taking root over both sides, p is equal to no, sorry, base is 3. So I did wrong. Base is 3 3 square. So it becomes 25 minus 9 is equal to p square. So 16 is equal to p square. So root over p is equal to this. So p is equal to 4 centimeter. This is
Yes,
of 4 centimeter. Now what do you have to find?
Sin C.
4 centimeter. Sin C, if you want, this is angle C. So this will be the base and this will be the perpendicular. Hypotenuse, you know that. So what will be the sin C?
Perpendicular.
Sin C is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it becomes 4 by 5. You get it?
Yes, sir.
What next?
Tan B.
Tan B. When you take tan B, this is B. So this is tan B. So this is base again, and this is again perpendicular. Perpendicular. So it is tan B means
P upon
tan B means
B. Perpendicular upon base.
perpendicular upon base. So it is 4 by 3. Now what?
Tan C minus cot B.
Tan B, tan
Tan C minus cot B.
minus cot B. Okay. So what is tan C? Tan C is 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
4 by 3
Yes, sir.
minus tan B, cot B is 4 by 3. Tan B is 4 by 3. So when we go for inverse, it becomes
3 by 4.
3 by 4. So when you solve it, how much you get? 12 is there. 16 minus 9. It becomes 7 upon 12. What is your answer? 7 upon 12.
So पहले का 4 by 5, then 4 by 3, and 7 upon 12.
4 by 5, 4 by 3, then
7 upon 12.
7 upon 12. You get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This much is?
Yes,
Should I rub?
yes, sir.
Okay. So nothing you have to do in this, man. In this type of questions, nothing you have to do, just you have to find out which is perpendicular, which is base, and hypotenuse. We know that hypotenuse is always the longest side, opposite to 90 degree. Like second part we have, this is, like this. This is right angle. क्या हुआ?
Yes, sir.
A, B, C. This is 1 and 2. Right? This is angle theta. So this is base for theta. And this is perpendicular. Perpendicular for theta. Right? Now, this angle is of
90 degree.
this angle is of 90 degree. Right? So obviously it will be hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
Right? So now, in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So it is how much? Perpendicular is 2 square plus 1 square becomes 4 plus 1. So hypotenuse square is equal to 5. So root over 5. So it becomes h is equal to root 5. Hypotenuse is root 5 आ गया आपका. Now what do you have to find?
So find the value sine square theta plus tan square theta.
Sine square theta plus
Tan square theta.
tan square theta. Okay, so should I write here? Sine theta is how much?
P upon
2 by root 5.
yes, sir.
Cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. Root 5. Sorry, it should be root 5. Root 5. Whenever you lose your concentration, you just start for thinking something other. It shows. And tan theta becomes how much? That is
P upon B.
2 upon 1. Right? Now when we put the value here, when we put values here in this, then what we get? 2 upon root 5 whole square plus 10 is 2 square. So it becomes 4 upon 5 plus 4. So we get here 5. So 4 plus 20. It becomes 20 by 5. Is it? What is your answer? Some other parts are there?
Oh no sir, we have only this part.
Okay, so 20 by 5.
Whole 4 upon 5. Yes sir.
20 by 5. Oh, it's not 20 by 5. It is 24 by 5. Sorry, it is 24 by 5. So 24 divided by 5. 24 divided by 5. 4 times 5 becomes 20 and 4 is here. So it is 4 whole 4 by 5. We can write it like this also. It should be 4 plus 20 becomes 24. Right? This will be your solution. Okay. Should I rub?
Yes sir.
What next is again what it is. There is a triangle.
Yes sir.
This is question number 8. Second part. Oh, third part. So this is, we have like this. ये हुआ.
Yes sir.
this. So what is it? There is a perpendicular. Huh?
Yes, sir. AD perpendicular to BC.
Oh, I would see the vertex. What this is AD. This is BC. This is how much?
15 centimeters.
This is of 15 centimeter. Fine. What else is given?
Sin B is equals to 4 by 5 and tan C is equals to 1.
Okay. Means what you said?
Sin B is equals to 4 by 5.
Sin B is equal to 4 by 5. Right? 4 by 5 means 5 by P by H. It means this is 5, this is 4. This is ratio. Right?
Yes, sir. And tan C is equals
And bolo.
tan C is equals
Tan C is equal to
to 1.
tan C is equal to perpendicular upon base. It means 1 upon 1. This is 1, this is 1. So if you go here by Pythagoras theorem, so 5 square minus 4 square is equal to b square. So it becomes 25 minus 16 is equal to b square. So it is 9 is equal to b square. So root over it becomes b is equal to 3. So इसका ratio हो गया 3. Right? And in this case, this is 1 and 1. So this is hypotenuse square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. So it becomes 2h square root over 2. So h is equal to root 2. You get this? H root 2. Hypotenuse is h root 2 ratio. Now what do? What they are asking for?
Calculate the lengths of AD, AB, BC and AC.
AD. Okay. So you have to find AD. So sin theta. So अगर हम ले sin B is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. No. If I say cos theta, cos B is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So that is how much? Base is 3. This 3 is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. And what base is given you exactly here?
15 centimeters.
15 centimeter. Right? So what will be the value of hypotenuse? Like AB. So it is 5 times 3 becomes 15 and 5 into, so AB is equal to 25 centimeter. I went wrong. Now 10B. If you take 10B, then it is perpendicular upon base. And perpendicular is 4 upon 3 is equal to upon AD upon, this is how much? AD upon base is 15. So it is 5 times, cross multiply. So AD is equal to 20. You get this? AD is 20. Hmm? Right? What is your answer?
AD is 20.
In book?
Yes, sir.
AB is?
25.
What else is there asking?
DC and AC.
AC. Okay. Now if we talk about AD is 20 now.
Yes, sir.
So if I take sine this is we find 20 centimeter AD. So tan C is equal to perpendicular upon base. So what is perpendicular? 1 upon 1 is equal to AD upon how much? CD. So it is how much? 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 20 upon CD. So CD is equal to 20 centimeter. CD is 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter. What is your answer?
20 centimeter.
20 centimeter. Now you have to find the AC,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Cos C.
if we take sine C, if I take sine C, if I take sine C, sine C is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it is 1 upon root 2 and perpendicular is 20 upon AC. So you get how much? AC is 20 root 3, 20 root 2 centimeter. You get it? Huh? This is. So this is how we get that. This is the ratio we have, and with that, with the help of ratio, we find the sides. Here we have given perpendicular. Here we have given base. So we use accordingly. Right? So this is question 8, third part we have done. Right? Remaining. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
I would like to say, I would like to tell you one thing. I told you formula sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Like this. I told you that.
Yes, sir.
Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
What?
Sin 90 minus theta उसका cosec का होता है सर.
Alright.
वो
Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta.
cos theta.
Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta
Cos 90
is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Right? Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and that's it. Is it?
Yes, sir. Sec, cosec, cot, tan, cos.
6 are there, na?
हाँ, sir.
That's it. Right. This I told you. One more thing is there. If this is a right angle triangle, right? This is A, B, and C. This is 90 degree. This is angle theta. So, triangle ABC is right angled triangle. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. So what happens? By Pythagoras theorem, theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Right? So what is perpendicular, man? What is hypotenuse? AC square is equal to perpendicular is BC square plus base AB square. Right? Now both sides divide multiplying by A upon C square. Right? Then what happens? Here will be AC square. Here will be AC square. Here will be AC square. Right? So you can write it like this. AC upon AC whole square is equal to BC upon AC whole square plus AB upon AC whole square. This is cancelled out. You get 1 here. So you get 1 square is 1 square. Here BC upon AC ये क्या हो जाएगा? Perpendicular upon, this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse whole square plus AB upon AC. So base upon hypotenuse whole square. So this is what? 1 हो गया? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine square theta. Sine square theta plus base upon hypotenuse is cos square theta. Or we can write sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is first formula we are using, which we have already used. Right? This formula we already used.
Yes, sir.
We can write it in this format also. You know, we can write in this format also that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can write sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Yeah, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. Or we can write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. You get this? These are the different possibilities. Basic formula is this. This is the rearrangements we have. You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Fine. You done this. Now I am going to rub this. Now remaining things are same.
You were telling about that degree chart.
No, abhi. Just look at it. Now we multiply both sides by BC square. If I write here BC square upon BC square upon BC square. So what happens? It becomes AC upon BC whole square is equal to BC upon BC whole square plus AB upon BC whole square. Right? This BC and BC's cancel out, you get 1. Right? BC and BC's cancel out and you get 1. So AC upon BC is how much? AC upon BC. AC upon BC is what? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular whole square is equal to 1 का whole square plus AB upon BC का whole square. AB upon BC मतलब base upon perpendicular का whole square. Right? So what will be it? It will be what we will call it. This is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. You get it? So now you get the formula cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Right? So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We bring this here. And next arrangement is we can bring this 1 on this side. So we get cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. You get this? These are also, this is the basic formula we derived, and these are the arrangements of this. Do you understand? This you understand? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
अब whole divided by AB square. So AB square is equal to AB square is equal to AB square. You get it? Whole multiplied by, मतलब 1/1 भी multiplied 1 by denominator में we multiply with all. When we multiply with all, then it becomes what? AC upon AB whole square is equal to BC upon AB whole square plus AB upon AB whole square. You get it? This AB and AB is cancelled out and you get 1 here. Right? What is AC upon AB? AC upon AB. It is hypotenuse upon base whole square is equal to BC upon AB. It is perpendicular upon base whole square plus 1 square. Right? This hypotenuse upon base is called sec square. Sec square theta. It is called tan square theta. This is called plus 1. You get this? Do you understand? Great. So now we get here again sec square theta. Sec square theta is equal to tan square theta. Tan square theta plus 1. Now you bring it here, so it becomes sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or we can write sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. You get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Get it. So these are sorry, the base formula is this. Base formula is this. Right? These are rearrangements. We can rearrange the things. You get it? So this I won't tell you how to derive this. That does not required for you. How we are getting it, it is not in your syllabus or it is not required. You have to learn this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You have to learn sec square theta is equal to tan square theta is equal to 1. You have to learn cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Right? Addition is having commutative property. So either you say cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or you say cot square theta, cosec square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. The thing is same. Getting? Okay.